Hello, it's Sabri from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Taigo Life 1.0 TSI 95 PS, and it currently has around 22,380 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning pure white finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with a VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the car. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful during modes do folder unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice with a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough to fit stuff like shopping bags or even a pram, and we do have additional storage space underneath there for a spare wheel or height. Following on, we can see this Taigo really does a lovely and well maintained interior, and you can see over ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fit with an armrest, offering you and your passengers a relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice multifunction steering wheel does nice at the grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring that O's on the correct times, alongside the new controls on the driver's door handle, all easy accessible on the right hand side there. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can read key information here like our mileage, whilst with the MIV, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Amro Link, allows us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps entertained while in the MIV, with many different stations to choose from. You can never be bored. And with this car, you do have your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors ensure safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres. The parking can be really tight.